What's up, everyone? I'm back here. I'm back playing. No, why am I saying that? So I'm playing him at Alpha, right? So I got my brother. He's not my brother. He's not my brother. He's not playing with me or something like that. He's just a player. I don't know this dude. He's just my brother because he's just like wearing the same suit as mine. But welcome back to my channel. This is the channel. This is the same thing I played with like that. Like me. Like my other channel is Mix Place. Yeah. Mix Place. Yeah, that's my other channel, by the way. That's my other channel, so thanks for watching my videos, dog. I really love you guys. I really love everyone who keeps watching my videos with this player, even though the max players are just 4. So I hopefully no one like joins me or something like that, because I am the one who can jump. This guy also know how to jump. Bro, first put your hand. Oh, not great then. Ah, my back! Oh, it's a pumpkin dude. I hope it's not Charisma on top, because he's the one I encountered from the game. Because when I played Human Fall Flat, Charisma on top always like ruin things, bro. He keeps flinging stuff. He keeps freaking glitching me. He freaking goes like this. Everything he does is not right. Even though it's a game, they can bully, they can be nice, they can be innocent. But this fool, Christmas on top. This is who I hate. Haha. Christmas on top is always the one that I hate. Bro, like Christmas on top. Whatever you do, just comment on my damn Human Fall Flat video, because you're the one who I encountered. And you know you're messing with a YouTuber. Freaking know that, dog. And I also kick him from the castle level. Hey! You fool! What did you do, Lucky Harpy? Oh yeah. Oh, I keep falling. But yeah, I'm gonna knock it up. What are you doing? I just don't know why my laugh look. Stop carrying me, dog. Freaking always keep. I don't want to crack your neck so badly, bro. I want to freaking crack your necklace. I want to crack your necklace. You are not rich, dog. You hate my mom. You hate everyone. I'm just kidding. I will never be that. I will never be that freaking rude. Are you freaking great? Get your gear out of the way, bro. How long? Bro, it took freaking 4 minutes for us to get on this roof. Like we haven't still got on the roof yet. It took us freaking 4:30 minutes still, because I can see it. Who keeps grabbing me? Get your butt! Wait, did I swear? Wait, did I swear? I don't want to swear, but okay, YouTube. Still okay if I swear. My deal. This ain't a deal, bro. Come on, get up. Can't you freaking way? Can't you just stop grabbing me? My, well, I need a freaking good thumbnail right now because if I don't have any thumbnail, dog. Freaking girlies! You freaking girl who does anything like this! I'm gonna freaking carry you to the end! Ela. What the? I'm just gonna take this a good screenshot. I'm gonna take this as a thumbnail. Okay, okay, since I got the photo, that's my thumbnail. Dick, crick, crick, crook. Kring of the crop pop. What? Oh. Mama! Oh yeah, I forgot. You freaking kidding me? Episode. How much minutes? 6:11. Are you kidding me? 6:11 minutes then. Get your butt! I said not the ASSS. What? A H. Get your head up here. I don't want to freaking swear, dog. I just kept. You flicked it. We cannot focus because of y'all. We cannot freaking focus. I cannot freaking focus of you too. What the hell? What the hell? I was trying to say FBI. Open up. I mean FBI. We are here. What are you doing? This is a killer. This is a serious. I hate psychopaths. The psychopaths in the elevator, like they say, let's dance, and then, like, they are called serious killer. You know, if I encounter one of them, I'm just gonna punch them faces, dog. Would you do that too? Comment on my video, dog. Because, you know I'm about to deal with these homies, dog. Like, they fools, bro. Fools, dog. They are fools. They are fools. Come on, I don't have a chance yet. We are just gonna pick the what's that? Oh, she moved. Lucky Harpy moved. There the song. You are black FBI. You are a black soldier. I am not racist. You're just color black. Yeah, if you don't want to join us, then don't come to us. Me first. Yeah. Oh, I love this. Did you freaking get out? I'm gonna put myself here. You're grabbing it as a what? Dumb. Bro, are you dumb? You're supposed to. You spin me round, round, baby, round, round like a record, baby. Wee ha! Helicopter. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, we live in you. Launchpad. Wee! Oh. Wee! Oh, I almost got it. What? Where it go? Oh. Oh, Black Soldier and Pumpkin Black didn't make it. Whee! Episode. What? I'm gonna do this technique. This is what I always do when I was like 5. Are you freaking kidding me, dog? This is why this always happens to me. Okay, I'm back. Like, that always happens to me when I play a human fall flat level. Like, that always happens to me. Those are just the parts I hate, dog. Those are just the frustrating things because that damn freaking Wi-Fi name. Why would you freaking name that Wi-Fi? Dun, 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 dun. If you're a human fall flat plan, like this video. If you're a Minecraft and Roblox fan, subscribe. YouTubers are always like that. Subscribe. I am not like saying subscribe. Spotify is dead. Oh, that ain't enough for the time to stuff. Okay, I got underneath that. Imagine I just hit my head on this thing and it already fell. Oh! Double kill, triple kill, quadruple kill. Are you serious right now, bro? Ouch, my back heel. Ouch, my head. Ouch, my dad. Grip, 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 crick, crick, croak, crick, croak, croak. What? Bye. Break this glass. I want to break it though because it's demolition level. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Yeah, I'm breaking the fourth wall. It's Diver Man. Oh, it's Will Pyle. Sup, Will Pyle? If you are watching this video right now, you have been rad. You are Oh, this girl. Yeah, I know. Hey. Also, Will Pyle, congratulations to be in the video. And also you, girl. Congratulations to be in the video. Cause you know, YouTubers make life worse. Yeah, I'm like, some videos make AI. Ladies first. Whee! The way how she turned around. You don't even know how to do that, dog. Ah! Ow! My head, Rico! My head hits the pane of the cracker. Who is this? This looks like... That freaking look like Fancy Cat. Oh, you need help, Lucky Hearty. Dang. Episode. You freaking pulito! Oh, oh, I've been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Look at that go. Gotta, oh, I've been married long time ago. Dale. Okay, wait, I just have to prepare my higa. I need to higa muna. Okay, I'm back. Wait, who's this guffaw? He is human 9629. I mean 92914. Am I correct? 61. I saw that. Ew, what you doing? My head hurts. My head hurts. Get your butt. Get your butt off me, dog. Oh. Ay! Susipaka! What are you doing? I want to grab you. All the way is falling down, falling down. I'ma grab on your foot, dog. Oh! Is that a backflip or front flip? I forgot. Just kidding, I didn't do that. Listen, Nani. I'ma reach this jump. Stop being crazy, y'all. I just reached that. Episode Nani. Hey, cut it down. Cut it out. He's bald. He's bald. He's bald. No, what did they do to the girl, Ita? She got there because of us. I'm gonna twerk on you. My freaking pile isn't piling. Get prison. Prison. Also, congratulations on that. Like that. This guy, the skeleton, the spooky, scary skeleton guy. Congratulations for being on a video. You freaking girlita. Yeah, carry her, dog. She's always like that. I have to stop listening, singing from. Oh, luckily I survived. Don't do it. I swear to God. I swear to God if you'll fall. I'll make it fall. Hey! You made it fall. You're always the freaking one. Duncan, donut. Gimon. Get kruk. Kringan krak. You cannot grab me. You can hold me if you want forever. I will stay on the floor. But you are already still there, and I'm here. Crazy. The old times, man. I used to play those. Open the door. Break the glass. Episode. Give me up. Oh! Kuya! No, this is not a great thumbnail. Chips. Dane! You can swear? Hey, don't do that. Go. Hey. The players be like, oh, I almost grabbed hair. I meant him, dog. Episode. Oh, oh, that's what Chris Mantap doing. Episode. You cannot grab hard things, bro. We have to die. We slip on a brick. Oh! Guess you have to poop! You fool! OMG! How did I get up here? How did I get up here? How did... Hey! You fool eater! Let's die together! Oh! Ah, my hand! Grab my foot! Girl! Haha! Yay! Ha! It just fell on. Oh, how dare you? Why are you carrying me? This is why I hate everyone. I hate this freaking guy, dog. Just stop. Just stop, please. I want to bend this guy, dog. Just let me crawl onto thing. Haha, finally. Superman! Get off my telephone! I want to ban these people. I'm banned. I banned. And don't ever come back. Bye bye. Yeah, they always come back like they always. Paano na tayo magano? I'ma claim my ladder, climb over cutter. Hey! Ninja! Y'all are so lazy to die. Oh, you know you're always the one. Kuya! Your fatality. Ah. Come on. I need that. It's fun. That's what you get, okay? Champion na to. Oh no. And also, save your life. Bro, they want to die. Bro, they want to fight. Bro, they want to. What am I trying to say? Let's fight, dog! Push! No grab big floor, wall, pillar, anything. You spin me around, baby, round, like a record, baby. You spin me around, baby, round, like a record, baby, round. Okay. I want to freaking kill you. No. Help me, police! Help me, police officer! Oh, you think me. Get off! Isang araw. This is what I'm about to do. First, First things first. I'm saying the words. I'm. No! This is you guys! I'm trying to make a photo hit the dead glass! Although police officer, congratulations for being on the video. My arm stretches. No, I freaking got karma. What are you doing? Baba. No. No, you can get on. You cannot get on, dog. I will hug you. It's kind of so snug and all. Oy!
Bakit ikaw ingay?
Okay. Diabetes. I want to beat this level. That was a great thumbnail. No, I did not take a green. I did not take good screenshot. Mama, I want to be cut. Yeah, this diamond is gonna be like. Come on, just start the level. Why am I so sus right now? We are at the same level, alright? From where we like fell. Okay. I guess it's only me and this guy.
May atangan dyan ha, baka magkata ka.
Okay, you got it. Oh, my foot is inside my belly. What's my belly? Yeah, you cook, bro. You're seriously cooked, dog. Hey, at least I help you. What? I didn't know you can do it that high. out of our control center. We are the military. Huh! Uwah!
Dito na natin makikita lahat ng pasok kasama na dito yung ating mga sa
This is so much hilarious. Get up! Get up! I just threw him. Ouch, my leg. I mean my foot. I just did a backflip. Y'all see that? I'm gonna just do this while climbing. He's gonna copy me, aren't you? Bro, you need to learn it first in my video, dog. Yeah, I ban you, dog. I ban you. You not. Congratulations too. Intentional company. This worker is trying to get in now. Very good. Yes, I crack crick croc cring of the croppy croc crick shota. Hola melo capybara. Capybara, 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 capybara. It's a penguin. Me first, me first, me first, me first, me first. Oh, yes, 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 yes. This is one of my favoritos. But they belong to Beat. Beat is the hard thing to do in my entire life. Oh, my butt cheeks. He went to the wrong one. Oh no, this is why I hate this part. Oh, sorry, I let it on me. Ouch! Back. sturdy, sturdy. Stop! You fool! What are you doing? Oh, you luckily you survived it. Ouch, my butt. Uy! Uy! But it literally took 41 minutes, dog. 41 minutes. But like, we took 41 minutes, you serious? Don't tell me. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, thank you very much, God gracious. Thank God the worker had it. Because I literally glitched. That's the part I don't like. Because it's like, Hadouken! Oh no, barely. Just barely, dog. Barely. It literally took 42 minutes now. Are you serious? Hadouken! No! Oh my. Why would you turn it? You penguinity? You should run on my journey. Get out of my journey. Don't turn it! No, we have to do this first. Hadouken! You always turn my stuff. You always miss the stuff. You always kiss. You always like my stuff. You always dumb click my croc. You clicker crocker d. You crocker clicker d. Dealer. Dealer clicker clicker dealer clicker clicker crocky show listen 42 clicker clicker crocky crocky freaking 44 minutes I haven't stopped rapping his thing. Wow! Oh shoot! Ah, my butt! I almost said my back and my back. Penguin is also a Manila. Ow, my butt! Wait. Oh. He fell. It's only me and him. fire. Fire. We are the police family, and you do not have access to our family. Why did I kept playing back here? Oh, no, I am the zombie. Ouch. No? No! I almost died. I am the one who got out of the orbit stuff. Oops. You fully cracker money click clock click clock click clock click clock click. It's the start of Oompa Loompa. Wow! Ah! And his name is John C. Claire, welcome. Get your freaking butt! Get back down there! Who's freaking turning anything, dog? Who's the one ruining something? Literally me when I ruin something. Oh yeah! Oh, I got my head. Okay, it took 49 minutes now. I want to touch your sussy baka. Do that one. Okay, 50 minutes. Letter C. Wait, you fell. You fell. Cat, kit, cat, cattle. I've been married. You got the stuff? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Ooh, that's a great thumbnail. This is the thumbnail. I will get this and this. This. What's wrong? Manny Pacquiao. Kit kat cattle. I'm in very long time ago. I will spin around this block to take the around the clock. And then I thought COCK is not a bad word, but it was a bad word the whole time. Click, click, look, click, look, click, click. Spin it around. Useful. Oh, that was so funny. What? We back. Harry Lake. Okay, good. Oh yeah. Oh, boosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. No. Thank you. Never mind, no thank you. Oh. I got the first order. But I need to complete this level. You just have to drop it. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! There. Holy! If your freaking hand got stuck. Pay some taxes, dude. You're making it too high, dude. Look. Oi! Kui kui! Why you bald? Why you bald? Why you bald? Why you bald, dog? He bald! It's real. It took 57 minutes. It took 57 minutes until we beat this level. Whee! Oh! He just gets there and then boom, there's no orbit. I already got it. Get that one. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, you're wrong, bro. You're not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be like this, bro. 3, 2. Oh, got it. We are almost beating it. I wanna grab your foot. I came out like a wrecking ball. Wait, there's players. The Dowie, the Roman! He's sticky, he's funny, he's sticky. I want to be with him. Oh my god! Oh, they're so big. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. You know what? This is gonna be the thumbnail. Come on, let's go. Let's go. It took freaking 1 hour now. Jump there. Whee! Whee! Okay. Wow. I'm gonna hit. Oh, miss, bro. Oh, you said what? No. What was he doing? Wait! Wait for me! Huh. Boosh! It's a big thumbnail, guys. Huh. Boosh! Oh! Oh no, that's what happened to him. I'm joining. Come on. Oh. Oops. Oh, my back. My plot armor back. Now stop doing it. I'm gonna watch this. Hey. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oi! Oh my, that's beautiful! Oh my gosh. Wait, before we complete this round, I just have to say goodbye. Bro, it's been good with the memories, dog. It's been good. Whee! Oh my god. Also, thanks everyone for watching. It's been a good time with you guys. So, see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.